This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Woods. Welcome to Fox Hill. You will fall in love with this perfect rancher located on a large corner cul-de-sac lot. Big fenced backyard with deck and fire pit area with a beautiful view of salt ponds. Inside you will say this is it with open floor plan, breakfast bar, granite countertop, stainless appliances, tons of cabinet and countertop space. Big laundry room and all bedrooms, area really nice size. Also located in one of the best school zones in Hampton. Minutes to Buckroe and Grandview Beach. And located near Langley Air Force Base. For more information, review the details below.